So now we shall look into the chapter 2, that is nutrition in animals. We shall study the new types. Fine, children. So let us come to first question, that is fill in the blanks. The main steps of nutrition in humans are. So what is the main steps? First is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and digestion. So this is the step by step process that we have studied, right? And next question, the largest gland in human body, that is liver. Next, the stomach releases hydrochloric acid and dash juices, that is digestive juices, which act on food. Next question, the inner wall of small intestine has many finger-like outgrowths called as villi. Amoeba digests its food in the food vacuole. Okay. Next question, that is question number 2. State true or false. Digestion of starch start in the stomach. Is it so? No, it starts from buccal cavity, right? So the statement is false. The tongue helps in mixing food with saliva. Yes, of course, it is true. The gallbladder temporarily stores bile. Yes, that is true. The ruminants bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chew it for some time. Yes, it is true. Next, tick the correct answer. Fat is completely digested in the small intestine. Next, water from the undigested food is absorbed mainly in the which one? It is large intestine. Next question, that is fourth question. Match the following. Food components, it is products of digestion. Carbohydrates, it is sugar. Proteins, amino acid. So the combination of each amino acid forms a protein. Okay, fats that consist of fatty acids and glycerols. Next we shall study question number 9. So which part of digestive canal is involved in absorption of food? It is small intestine. Chewing of food, it is buccal cavity. Killing of bacteria, it is stomach. Complete digestion of food, it is small intestine. Formation of feces, it is large intestine. So where does feces forms? It in the large intestine. Next is match the following, that is question number 11. So here you can see 2 columns are there. Salivary gland, with what you can match? It secretes saliva. Next, stomach, it gives acid. It releases acid. Liver, which acid, children? It is HCl. Okay. Liver, it secretes bile juice. Rectum, it stores the undigested food. Small intestine, where the digestion is completed. Large intestine, absorption of water. Now children, let us look fiber to fabric chapters, new types. Let us look question number 2. The silkworm is whether it is a caterpillar, a larva. Which one is that? That is both A and B. Okay. So silkworm, it is called as caterpillar also, and we call it as larva also. And which of the following does not yield wool? That is woolly dog. And this question, 5th question. Given below is a sequence of steps in processing of wool. Which are the missing steps? Add them. So they have given the systematic steps in processing of wool. So you have to write the missed one. So first step is shearing. Next is scouring, sorting, picking of burrs, dyeing of fibers, and making of yarn. So these are the steps. So last new type question in this chapter is match the following. Okay. So in 3 chapters also you have seen match the following, right? Yes. So again you have 2 columns. First is scouring in the sense cleaning sheared skin. And mulberry leaves, it is food for silkworm. Yuck. So it gives wool yielding. It is a wool yielding animal. Cocoon, that yields silk fibers. So children, practice this question twice in your homework. Each and every question which I have discussed, look into your textbook, write answers in your textbook one time, and same thing you practice in your homework. Okay children, see you all. Have a good day.